Minimalism isn't just about owning less, it's about living a brand new life. And one of the most practical benefits of this lifestyle is how it can help you save money. Whether you want to get out of debt, get ahead financially, or start giving more, saving money is always helpful. And minimalism can help you break free from the cycle of overspending and help you find greater financial freedom. But even if you're not ready to call yourself a minimalist, here are 10 money-saving hacks inspired by minimalists that can help you spend less, save more, and live better. Number 1, wait 24 hours before making a purchase. Impulse buys are a bigger drain on our wallets than we realize. So before buying anything, give yourself 24 hours to think it over, especially large purchases. You'll often find that the urge to buy fades, saving you money and preventing clutter. Number 2, ask yourself, what if I don't buy it? Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself, well, what if I don't buy this? And if the answer is that your life would go on just fine, or that you would quickly realize there is something better that you could spend your money on, then you probably don't need to make the purchase. This simple question can help you avoid wasting money and unnecessary spending. Number 3, another money-saving hack is to find joy in simple pleasures. Minimalists, I think, have a good understanding that happiness doesn't come from the things that we buy or material possessions. Instead, often, minimalists find joy in simple, cost-free activities like spending time in nature, going for a walk, reading a book, or connecting with loved ones. Embracing these pleasures can reduce the desire to spend money on things you don't need. Number 4, view advertising skeptically. Advertising at its core is designed to make you feel like you're missing out. But minimalists approach ads with a healthy dose of skepticism, recognizing that they're often just selling a lifestyle, not a solution. So by turning out the noise, by trying to really decipher what the message is behind the advertisement, you can make more intentional purchasing decisions. Here's a 5th money-saving hack. Assume that you already have enough. One of the core principles of minimalism is recognizing that you already have enough stuff. Instead of constantly seeking more, take stock of what you have, what you do own, and appreciate it a little bit more. This mindset shift of starting with the assumption that we have enough helps us overcome and resist the urge to buy things that we don't need. Number 6, watch less television. Television is filled with both commercials and product placements and a specific worldview that encourages consumption and spending. By reducing your screen time, you'll not only save money, but also, as an added bonus, free up time for more meaningful activities. Number 7, make it a discipline to practice gratitude daily. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you already do have. By regularly reflecting on the things you're thankful for, you'll feel more content and less inclined to spend money chasing happiness. Now, this might look different to you than it would for someone else. For me, it looks like daily prayer, where I offer gratitude. Others, it might be taking a time to thank your spouse for something that you appreciate about them, or just having a gratitude journal where you write 3 things that you're thankful for every day. But make gratitude a discipline in your life. Number 8, decide to stick to your shopping list. Whether you're grocery shopping or running errands, always bring a list and stick to it. This simple habit keeps us buying only the things we need rather than the things we think we want once we get to the store. Number 9, purchase quality over quantity. Minimalists prioritize quality over quantity. Instead of buying cheap items that need frequent replacement Once they decide that they need an item, they tend to invest in well-made products that are going to last. While the upfront cost might be higher, you always save money in the long run. And number 10, borrow instead of buy. Before purchasing something you'll only use occasionally, consider borrowing it instead. Whether it's a tool, a book, a piece of equipment, borrowing can save you money and reduce clutter in your home. These money-saving hacks, inspired by minimalists, are all about making intentional choices that help you align your dollars and your time with your values and your goals. And by adopting these, any of them, although ideally all 10, you can spend less, save more, and focus on what truly matters.